improve your home. Well, with the weather as cold as it has been, I'm sure those drafty windows are finally showing their true colors. With energy efficient windows, homeowners wouldn't have this problem and they can save on their energy bill. Well, today we have Jim Draper from Royal Home Improvement to kind of show us some projects we can do, right?
Absolutely, Jonathan. When you guys roll out the forecast like you have today, people get very nervous and aware of the energy leaks in their home. And so they're asking, what can we do right now to make a difference, make our home more comfortable, more energy efficient, lower those utility bills?
Gotcha.
There are things you can do. So go to your hardware store this weekend. You can buy some weather stripping, some caulk. There are some, as seen on TV, gimmicky items, but focus on things like weather stripping and caulk.
Okay.
You'll see a multitude of different varieties. The easiest one that most of us can use is a foam-backed weather stripping. It has an adhesive back on it. You simply cut it to length, apply it directly over those cracks around doors, windows. In some homes, you can even see the daylight. That's where you want to focus.
That's my house. That's my apartment. Yeah.
This costs a few dollars. Every homeowner is capable of doing this.
Gotcha.
It's a great short-term solution that buys you the time to call in a trained professional.
Gotcha. I'm familiar with this here as well, too.
So,
because of those cracks, right?
Absolutely.
Gotcha.
This is probably a degree higher in difficulty. We've actually seen homeowners seal their windows and doors closed with this product. If you're not real careful, you get a leaky window, so they seal caulk all the way around it, come back a couple of days later, and you can't open the window.
Gotcha.
So it takes a little more expertise, but definitely a good DIY project. The key is to stop and call in the right professional company to help you evaluate your needs.
And when is that? When should people call?
Really, when you get above this level of experience and expertise, if you don't know when to call, it's time to call.
Gotcha.
If you aren't comfortable doing this. So a company like Royal Home Improvement will come in, will evaluate your home with you, do a free energy assessment, determine if it's really the windows or the doors, if that's the pain point in your home, and if it is, we'll design a solution with you that's a custom solution.
What about that? Obviously, we've seen this here around.
Absolutely.
Kind of remind folks at home what this is.
This is the Draft Buster that you can buy on TV and probably at your Walgreens or Walmart. I'll give a free plug there for those guys. But it's really just a dressed-up towel to shove under your drafty door.
Gotcha.
Not the kind of thing you want to show your friends and family when they come over to visit.
Gotcha. Real quick, how can people reach you if they want to?
So the easiest way is to go right now to the website, www.royalwindows.com. You can contact us through there. You can get us on Facebook. You can get us at 1-800-760-1419. We'll answer any questions you have and really help you with your project.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much here. We'll be right back.